Let's focus on, well, who's the core? Who runs the global economy? Who has a huge role in deciding where labor occurs, for example? And that's the core countries, and we'll call this the global triad. I call it the global triad because there's pretty much three core areas that serve their surrounding peripheral areas. And these are essentially the world's mega markets. So first off, we got Northern America, and particularly United States and Canada, especially along the East Coast. And so you could say North America, but in particular, the eastern part of the United States and Canada is the core of the entire Western Hemisphere. And so that serves the semi and peripheral areas in Central America, South America, the Caribbean, so all throughout the Western Hemisphere. So you kind of see this core-periphery relationship in which areas in the same region or same side of the world often are related to each other. The second core area would be Western Europe. So you could say Europe in general, but more specifically Western Europe. And so Germany, France, United Kingdom, in particular Spain, throw in Italy, throw in Switzerland. These are all places that have huge power in that part of the world. And so they're the core of the areas that surround, you could say Eastern Europe is maybe semi-peripheral. You could say Africa and the Middle East might be peripheral, might be semi-peripheral. All of those are focused in on the core there in Western Europe. Over on the right-hand side of the map, or in the eastern part of the world, you see kind of a multiple core area. So you have East Asia, in particular coastal China, throw in Japan, throw in South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, Australia, a little bit of New Zealand. So essentially you have a few different core areas that all serve surrounding peripheral areas in Southeast Asia, South Central Asia perhaps, East Asia, Oceania. So we see some particular patterns in which we have these regional cores that serve regional peripheral areas. But those three core areas, for example, once again, North America, Eastern Europe, and the East Asia, Australia, Singapore kind of core, those are all areas that have also the highest levels of wealth. And so these are also representing the wealthiest stage 4 countries of the world.